Alright, nigga, this is my second time recording this. My audio fucked up, and then I also had to like re-record for other reasons. But like, I first, this is how to MGK, pop punk, punk rock, whatever the fuck you want. See, you want the beat, bro, the beat, and then you want the fucking drop to be some. That shit go dummy, nigga. Alright, and see, this is okay. So basically, what you want to do with your vocals, right? You want them to be loud. You want them to be wide. You got to do this white people voice, bro. You know that fucking "my mom does not love me" like that shit. You wanna be like alt rock ass, fucking Green Day people ass shit. All right. Like for this is the example.
Got the blood and drips from the tip of my ear.
Nigga, that doesn't even sound like normal me. Like, yeah, the blood it drips from the tip of my ears. Like, okay, see, it's just white people shit, right? And then there's mixing. It's just a SSG Kobe preset, little tune. You know, you got the Auto Tune Pro, you know, B minor, retune speed 20, flex tune, humanize 5. None of this really matters, or this matters a lot, but like a lot of it doesn't matter. You can just copy the bullshit. Motherfucking sound goodizer, max, because it's sound goodizer, dog. it's sound goodizer. You know, Maximus for, you know, you got the harsh ass S noises, you got to get them out. Reverb turned down so that it's not too loud. Also separation just to make it echoey. You know, EQing and shit. Just copy all of it. Delay, you know, just delay. Then you got the backups. You got this bullshit. Just a limiter. EQ. Always for the limiter. Always for the first one. 24-301. EQ simple shit too. Just cutting out the lows, making sure it's not too loud. Limiter simple again, boosting it if it's too low. Cutting all this shit down, fucking adding more highs, I guess sometimes. Maximus cut out more de-essing, you know. And then background vocals, all just the same shit as before with like B minor, fucking limiter again, EQ, sound goodizer. Alright, nigga, then after the motherfucking sound goodizer, you know, you got the reverb. You got the reverb, make that shit extra loud, bro. Cause you know when you're doubling your vocals, you want that shit.
Yeah, you made me. I said. Yeah, you made me. I said.
And then you want to do separation vocals for whenever you do it. Alright. See how there's like the normal. You like move that bitch like 38% to the left, 38 to the right. Then it comes out really well with the.
Yeah, you made me. I said I.
And that's probably about it. But you know. I'm just a fat nigga that makes music, so you know, y'all rocking with this. Haha.
KYG, go crazy.
What the fuck, laggy?
Got the blood and drips from the tip of my ear. Yeah, you don't want me dead, but you don't want me here. Yeah, you said. Yeah, you said. That I'm the one to blame for things that you made me misled. Yeah, you made me. I said. Yeah, I said. Got the blood and drips from the tip of my ear. Yeah, you don't want me dead, but you don't want me here. Yeah, you said. Yeah, you said. That you don't want me here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay, 'cause I want you here. Baby, please come back. Yeah, the blood and drips from the tip of my ear. Yeah, you don't want me dead, but you don't want me here. Yeah, you said. Yeah, you said. That I'm the one to blame for things that you made me misled. Yeah, you made me. I said. Yeah, I said. Got the blood and drips from the tip of my ear. Yeah, you don't want me dead, but you don't want me here. Yeah, you said. Yeah, you said. That you don't
Slavery was a myth.